Guess what's inside Sisterly Crafter's scoop order? Let's find out. First of all, how cute are these lace scrunchies? Next comes something cute and handy. Pocket mirrors with a tiny comb. It's so cute. Next up, these aesthetic phone charms that instantly upgrade your phone. Ignore the background drama. It's my throat, not me. Look at this. Isn't it cute? We've got many more goodies, but patience, bestie. Next video.